Hello, gorgeous. This is Melanie from Makeup by Melanie B, and today I have started with foundation already done. I will put which one I used in the description. I'm going in right now, and I'm going to do a little bit of concealing under my eyes, dark circle concealing, and this is a little trick that I use. So I took the soft orange liquid concealer, and I put it all around the under my eye. Now I'm going to go in with the light beige, and I'm going to use that on the actual bag part. Because I don't want to bring light attention to it. I want it to kind of blend in to the skin color that I have there, because the only way to decrease the visual of dark circles is by basically camouflaging those. And I'm going to go into a very in-depth detailed video about how to do this when it's not high speed and when I can actually give you a little better example. So anyway, now I'm going in with the light ivory on the dark part of those bags. You guys, my bags are fierce right now, so I really needed to do some work before I went on this hot date with my husband for our 5-year dating anniversary. All right, so I put that light ivory on there, and now I'm taking an eyebrow brush, and it's just a thin liner brush, and I'm just going to kind of blend it out into the light beige that I'd already put on there. You cannot see how effective that is with the light that comes up and the shadows that come cast from my mirror, but it really does work. Now I'm going to tap on that transparent powder, which I'm absolutely obsessed with. It's fabulous. I'm just going to leave it on there for a minute and let it set, and then I'm going to brush it off. Now I'm going in with the darkest contour stick. These highlight and contour sticks are amazing. They really blend beautifully. I wasn't sure when I ordered them how they were going to blend, because a lot of times you feel like, okay, I've got this on here and now it's going to be stuck with this harsh line, but it blended nicely. So all I'm using there is a fluffy like concealer brush, and you can see, just blended it under my cheekbone. And I did it the same on the other side to get rid of that harsh line, and just, it really turned out pretty. If you look in the pictures at the end, you can kind of see a better idea. Now I'm going in with the 3-in-1 face palette, which is fabulous, and I'm using that blush. I did not really have a blush that was perfect for a red look, but that one was the best of the three that I have, and it really did work beautifully once I was done. Then I'm just going to blend it out a little bit. And I'm going to take the same brush I was using for the contour stick, and I'm going to just use the highlight that is in that 3-in-1 palette. It is incredible, you guys. It is incredible. All right, so now I'm going to go in on my eyes. I'm going to use the Red Glaze Creamy Eyeshadow, and I am going to take the flat eyeshadow brush that I got from FARMASI, which is very inexpensive, but a nice brush. And I'm just going to put that on the outer corner, and I'm taking a fluffy brush and blending it out. Now, I'm going to pack that red glaze a little higher and a little higher, and you'll notice I'm going to do that. Since the older I get, my eyes become more hooded. I have to kind of change my technique here. I'm going to be working on some new techniques on eyeshadows because I really need to eliminate the hooded eye look. So anyway, I'm just going to blend that out. I did it a few times. I'm not showing you the other eye. I'm just doing this left eye, or actually my right eye, left side for your video. I'm blending that out. Now I'm going to go in after I've blended, and I'm going to take my finger and just kind of soften it and smooth it out. I'm going to take the Orange Pop creamy shadow, and I'm telling you, I'm really obsessed with these creamy shadows because they really blend so nicely. And I'm just going to put that on my lid, and the center of my lid is kind of a nice little like orange pop. These warm colors work well together with my red sweater. Now I'm going to go in with Pink Glow, and then what happens is my husband, who was taking a shower in the bathroom, decided to come out in my video, and so I had to stop my recording, and that is why you see me saying, oh my God. So what I did is I took the Vintage Shadows, the Trio Shadow, and I used the darkest color and depth and deepened the corners, added some depth, and I put the ink liner on, and then I went in and put a highlighter on my brow and did my brows. I did my mascara here, and this is the 3D Effect High Definition Mascara. You guys, I can't say enough about our mascaras, and I think one of the reasons I love them so much is because they do not transfer under my eye. I can go to sleep with this mascara on, which you should never do, and I will wake up with no raccoon eyes and no flaking and no transfer. It's fabulous, and they're cheap. They're not expensive at all. All right, now I'm going to take the 227 lip liner pencil, and I'm going to define the outer line of my lips. And I'm learning the older I get, the less lip I have. So it's like they've changed since I used to do lip videos all the time. So it's very weird lately because I have these awkward lips. But anyway, gonna get that on there and add a little depth in the corners by filling it in somewhat before I take one of my little sampler lipsticks, which is called Hot Red, and it is fabulous. Oh, I'm gonna go in with lip conditioner first. Lip conditioner, make sure you condition your lips. This stuff is great. I use it at night, in addition to right before my lipstick. Now I'm going in with Hot Red. I had so many options in this little sampler pack, and I've loved every single one of them, and I really wanna get full sizes in all the ones that I've tried. All right, so Hot Red seems kind of appropriate for a hot afternoon lunch date with my spouse. This red was beautiful, and especially I feel like with that 227 lip liner as a outline, it looked really nice. And after I fill in my lips, then I'm gonna find a small brush and blend the lip liner out a little bit into the lipstick so that it doesn't look like a harsh line. And that is what I'm gonna do right here. I wanna make sure that it doesn't look like a line is drawn around my mouth and then I stuck lipstick in it. You know what I'm saying. All right, so that turned out to be a very beautiful wearable lipstick. Hot Red, you guys. Do I look hot? I'm just kidding, don't answer that. Okay, and then finally, I'm going to add my Lip Plumper Gloss because it is incredible. You guys know I'm obsessed with that. I've used it every single video so far, and I probably will continue to do so. All right, now the Time Locker Setting Spray is gonna keep everything exactly how I put it on, and I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna pull down my hair. I'm feeling pretty good about the hair after I do that. Usually it looks like a hot mess, but I kinda like it. Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you will subscribe, like, share, and come back and watch me for future videos. Thank you, as always, for watching.